2 reservoirs built by a Chinese company have taken clean drinking water to people in Kiemuka, Kenya. Located 40 kilometers southwest of the capital Nairobi, Kiemuka is often faced with water scarcity due to dry weather. Local people had to share unclean dam water with livestock and wild animals. While constructing a railway project, the China Road and Bridge Corporation discovered a natural water source. The company then constructed 2 underground reservoirs for locals, with each having a storage capacity of 800 cubic meters.
鉴于当地饮用水比较短缺，居民用水都是靠驴车或者说水车来从远方运过来，所以我们决定在隧道口建设一个水池，用来保证当地居民的用水。
The water is channeled to over 5,000 families in the area, where access to clean water stood at 35%.
Hii maji kwetu ilikuja kama ni muujiza wa Mungu. Kwa sababu sisi watu wa Kiemuka tumekaa muda mrefu sana bila maji. Tulikuwa tunategemea maji ya mvua, maji ya dam, na ni ile unaenda mwendo mrefu. Uende ushote mtungi mmoja wa 20 liters ulete kwa nyumba.
It came as a big blessing to us because initially we really used to have problems. We used to collect water from a dam which is below here, brownish, dirty water. But since the tunnel water came, we are happy we are able to drink clean water, cook, and even maintain hygiene in the school with the clean water, and we water our vegetable garden.
The water aquifer and reservoirs are currently maintained by Afri Star, the Nairobi Suswa standard gauge railway operator.
Amount of water produced here per hour is 1,700 cubic meters. So the water is enough to feed more than 10,000 herds of cattle. So in that case, the issue of drought, it has been mitigated well, or it has been solved.